Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Sport S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth low back bucket seats, gross vehicle weight, 5,400 pounds, ocean blue metallic clear coat, trailer tow and HD electrical group included, Class 2 receiver hitch 240 amp alternator 7 and 4-pin wiring harness 700 amp maintenance-free battery auxiliary switches, engine, 2.0 Li4 turbo with torque included, gross vehicle weight, 5,400 pounds delete alternator 700 amp maintenance-free battery supplemental heater 48V belt starter generator, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, quick order package 28S Sport S included, engine 2.0 Li4 turbo e-torque transmission, 8-speed